Good morning, all of you.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning. Okay, switch on your videos. Switch on your videos, all of you. Yes, the rest also. Hurry up. Come on, 7C, hurry up.
Sorry, ma'am, my camera is not working properly.
What, beta?
My camera is not working properly.
Okay, all right. Okay. All right, so I told you people that today we'll be doing notice and message writing. So first you write down a topic, then we'll do the format, and then you'll tell me what you will write in this particular notice. Okay, so you all are ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yesterday, write down yesterday, comma, when you went, yesterday, when you went to the gymnasium. Gymnasium is gym. Gymnasium. 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 Yesterday when you went to the gymnasium, in the activities period, activities period, activities, activities, activities period, you found that your you found that your kit bag, there'll be a small dash between kit and bag, KIT, T for tap, kit bag had got exchanged, kit bag had got exchanged with someone else's, with someone else's, right? ELSE apostrophe S, with someone else's, ELSE apostrophe S, full stop. Write a notice, write a notice reporting the exchange, write a notice reporting the exchange and asking the finder, and asking the finder to contact you, and asking the finder to contact you, full stop. Do not exceed 50 words. So your word limit is 50. Do not exceed, 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 do not exceed 50 words, full stop. Put the notice in a box, put the notice in a box. Written, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now first tell me the format of notice writing. How do we start?
Ma'am, first we have to make a bracket.
Bracket?
Ma'am,
Yes, Anusha?
ma'am in a box. Ma'am in
Okay.
a box. Then we have to write name and date.
don't make the box first because you don't know how big your notice would be. All right. So first line. Yes, Tahura.
Mom, first time we will write the name of the organization.
Okay, first line center. You answer like this. That what we line. Obviously, we don't write it in the left hand margin or right side. So first line center, you write name of the organization. In this case, what will be the name of the organization? In this case, the notice which I have given you, what will you write in place of name of the organization? Class 7th, are you able to hear me? Yes or no? Are you able to hear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so in place of name of the organization, what will you write? You are in the activities period, something happened. So where are you? In your school. So in place of name of the organization, what will you write?
Ma'am, Cathedral Senior Secondary
Cathedral Senior Secondary School.
Okay, so you will write Cathedral Senior Secondary School. Second line.
Ma'am, in the middle we will write notice.
Okay, second line center, you will write notice, NOTICE. Then third line.
Ma'am, we will leave one line.
Date left.
Ma'am, date.
Ma'am, we will leave one line.
Okay, so you will leave one line, then what will you do?
Ma'am, we will write the
Ma'am,
date.
we will write the date.
Where
from
will you-
left hand side?
Okay.
Ma'am, write the date.
Ma'am, in numeric form.
Okay, you will write the date in numeric form at the left hand margin. Alright? At the left hand margin, you will write the date in numeric form. Then,
Ma'am, the
From
top.
first slide center, topic.
Ma'am, from the center, the topic.
alright. So, fourth line center, you will write the topic. Okay, then after that,
Ma'am, the matter or content.
okay, the matter and the content and the
Main body.
okay, the main body, the matter, the content, and from where will it start?
Ma'am, from the left.
Okay, from the left hand margin. Everything starts from the left hand margin. So you have written the body or the content or the matter. Then what will you do?
Ma'am, name.
Okay, leave a line then.
Ma'am, will leave a line.
Okay, even if
Ma'am,
you
the
don't,
name.
even if you don't leave a line, it does not matter much. Okay, after you finish off, then what you do?
Ma'am, thank you. Ma'am, write the name.
You write your name.
Name.
Tell me, you write the
Ma'am, full name.
Full name.
okay, full name. Then
Ma'am, class.
Then designation.
class or designation. So it is a slash between class or designation. Now in this case, has any designation been provided to you?
No, ma'am.
No.
Alright, so no designation
No,
has
ma'am.
been provided to you. So what will you write in this case?
I'm student of class 7C.
Okay, so you will write 7C. You will write your name like Joshita Srivastav, and below it you will write 7th C. That's it. And then you will put the notice in a box. Alright? Fine, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so just have a look at this notice and tell me how will you start. Just have a look and tell me how will you start this notice. Just go through it and let me know. And there's one thing that is very important in writing a notice, that you never use Mojit, don't do all this, that you never use pronouns of the first person, I, me, myself. You will never use. Even restrict the use of pronouns of the second person like you and all, you, your, even that restrict. So how will you start? How will you start the notice? Come on, 7C. How will you start this notice?
Ma'am, dear readers.
Okay, then dear readers, even if you don't write like dear readers, even if you don't write dear readers, it does not matter, because like when I teach in class 8th, I never ask students to write dear readers and all that. It is obviously natural that you're writing to the readers, so you can write dear readers also, or even if you leave it, omit it, it does not matter. After that, what will you write?
Ma'am, this is to
Inform you that.
Ma'am, to tell you or inform you.
to inform you.
Okay, so this is to inform you, or this is to tell you, or this is to bring to your notice. Alright, you can write anything. This is to inform you, this is to tell you, or this is to inform is better than tell. So don't use tell, it is like more plain, more informal. Formal would be, notice is a formal thing. So you use inform. This is to inform you, or this is to bring to your notice. What to bring to your notice? That yesterday yesterday what happened? Now you know. Okay, yes, tell what happened yesterday. What happened? Yesterday in the activities period, a kit bag. Now you don't, yes, you will not write that I have lost my kit bag. You will write yesterday in the activities period, a kit bag. Now you describe your kit bag. How will you describe? Alright, it depends on your description. It could be a red or black bag, a blue or pink bag, or any colored bag with stripes, or you can tell whether it has a sticker on it. The description depends on you, because if you will not tell about the description of the kit bag, how will you get it back? Okay, so you will write that from the in the activities period, a kit bag of so and so color, so and so size, having this has been exchanged. All right, has got exchanged with someone else's. All right, and then what else you will write? So you have told about the description of your kit bag, then what will you write? Yes.
If you get, please contact.
Okay, if you don't write you, if someone finds it, then
Ma'am, get inform me.
okay, so if someone finds it, where to contact? If someone finds it, please inform. Either you could write even in the sister's office or in class 7th C. All right, or you could contact, you could either return it in the sister's office or contact the undersigned. Undersigned means you will write your name under it when you will finish off, or contact the undersigned in class 7th C. Okay, full stop. Then because someone is finding something for you, so like you could put a reward to it also. You would be rewarded with a chocolate. All right, the finder would be rewarded with a chocolate. Is that okay? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now who will tell me the whole thing at one go? How will you start? What will you write? Try someone. It's okay, even if you make mistake, it does not matter, because like this only we learn how to write. Otherwise, how will you learn? Yes, who will do that? Where's Joshita? Yes, beta. You'll try?
Yes, ma'am, I will try.
Okay.
What's the name of the institution?
No. Okay, leave that. Start from the matter, the body, the content.
activities period.
This is to inform you, or this is to bring to your notice.
This is to inform you that yesterday in the activities period, kit bag was exchanged with someone else's. The kit bag was blue in color and had 3 pockets in it.
Be more descriptive, all of you, about your kit bags, huh? Tell the color, how big it is. Alright, kit bag obviously is not very big, and the color, and like some sticker on it or anything, and the color of the strap, that you can tell. Okay, so a kit bag dash 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 description has been exchanged with someone else's. Okay, then
Color of the strap of the kit bag was red.
then
If anyone finds it, then please inform in the sister's office
or the undersigned in class 7C,
or the undersigned class 7C.
or the undersigned in class 7th C. Okay, full stop. The finder would be rewarded with a chocolate. Full stop. Then write your name, Joshita Shrivastava, 7C, and put the notice in a box. Is that understood, all of you? Any confusion?
No, ma'am.
Sure, all of you? Okay.
Why we write undersigned in 7th?
Undersigned means either you return it to the sister's office, or undersigned means the one whose name is there. Return it to undersigned means Joshita Shrivastava in 7C. Either you give it to sister or you give it to Joshita Shrivastava in 7C. Otherwise, where will you find Joshita Shrivastava? Alright. So that is why that is why we write undersigned means the name of the person, because you cannot use me, return it to me. So in place of me you are using undersigned. You are telling your name, you are telling also your name, but not using personal pronoun. Okay, so contact the undersigned. Where to contact the undersigned, where to find the undersigned? In class 7th C. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Alright, and I told you that we'll be discussing about the message also. Message topic I will give you on the WhatsApp group, but let's discuss the format of message writing also. Okay, so message writing, what do we do there?
Ma'am, in first
On
line
first
we
line center we write message.
Alright, first line center, message. Then second line,
Date and time.
On the left,
left hand margin you will write the date in numeric form, and
Ma'am, on the right hand.
alright, on the right side you will write the time. Okay, then
Ma'am, we will leave one line.
okay, leave a line. Then name.
The name to whom we are
Okay, the name of the person to whom you are writing the message. You will write the name of the person, simply put the name. There is no need to write dear, this and that. Just if you are writing it to father, comma, and then you will start the message from the very next line, left hand side margin. Okay, you will write the message, then at the end
Ma'am,
from.
the sender's name. Okay, and some of you who have sent me the messages earlier, you have not written the sender's name, and I have told you also write the sender's name, because you have given the message, but from whom, from whose side? Okay, so on the top you will write the name. In the beginning you will write the name of the person to whom you are writing the message to, and at the end from the sender, means the sender's name need to be there. Sometimes they also provide you with a name that you are so and so. So in that case you will write that name only and you will not write your real name, and then you will put the message in a box. Notice and message both are put in a box, whereas letter is not put in a box. Understood all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, listen, I will try to present a screen and give you that message writing. See if you are able to see it, and take a screenshot. If it is not possible, then I will send it to you on WhatsApp.
Mom, between the heading message and the date.
Beta, what? What?
Mom, between the heading message and date, mom, will we leave a line?
No, in the same line on the left hand side you will write the date, and on the right hand side you will write the time.
No, mom, between message and date.
Yeah, you can leave. You can leave a line, or even if you don't leave, it does not matter much.
Okay, mom.
Are you able to see this?
No, mom.
You are not able to see? No.
Your screen is not visible.
My screen is not visible. Okay.
Yes,
I'll try again. Let's see. It is showing presenting.
Yes, ma'am, now.
Now it is presenting.
Yes, ma'am.
See, now is it visible?
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
no, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
Okay, okay. All right, all right. Doesn't matter.
Ma'am, now it is showing.
Now are you able to see?
Yes.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. So will you be able to take a screenshot of this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you can take a screenshot of this message, and I will send you its pic on the WhatsApp group also. Okay, so have you people taken a screenshot?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, so you will write a message also on the topic which I gave you, alright, and this notice also in your rough copies. Is that understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, so that would be all for today.